You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. They have somewhat similar pronunciations, although a little bit different, and they have different meanings, opposite meanings in fact. Ingress is your top word here. Ingress, there's clearly a N sound here. Ingress, so that's when a data, for example, enters a system, or also when the entry to a place. Ingress. The bottom word is egress, so it's not egress, egress with a stress on the first syllable, and that's the exit or data leaving a system. Ingress or egress, opposite meanings. Quite a bit of a difference in pronunciation too. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.